Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my today's class where we have done in a Bank Nifty strategies. So that I'm going to discuss here, and those who attend my today's class in the morning, so you know how the Bank Nifty, you find out the momentum in Bank Nifty, how you find out the momentum in Bank Nifty. We are doing that Bank Nifty for intraday options, right? So initially we have taken a call option buy with the small quantity. So we know the exact Bank Nifty target we are expecting, and Bank Nifty is a very small move, right? Let me wait. Able to write it on. It's not possible. So let me go for here. What we are seeing in the Bank Nifty is about 41,300 call and put price, right? So let me wait. Just a second. The team is not working. So, for yeah. So this is what the strike price of 41,300 call and put that we have selected in the morning based on the course in Bank Nifty. So we initially find out there is a no big movement expected in Bank Nifty based on the strategy what we have discussed earlier. So here we find out small opportunity, buy opportunity in call option that went to 40 points, that was working better. And the second trade where we are getting a put option here, that is also moving big points, but initially we are expecting some small movement on that till this time, till almost before 12 o'clock. So we are waiting for the small movement, and also we are taking a short straddle. So from here to here it is giving you some good profit on short straddle where we have made it. So almost 600 700 600 nearby we got the profit on the short straddle. That is also working best because that we find the momentum. So here no momentum, so we discussed earlier. So still the pot we didn't get any momentum on Bank Nifty, is that right? So that is what the thing which we have discussed on the live session till up to this part. Up to this part, we don't have here the low momentum. The low momentum which is finding, we find out the low momentum. So the best for a short straddle that we have made it, and there is a profit on the short straddle also once we find out the momentum. So if you find out this, there is a momentum increasing on Bank Nifty at this time when it is a time of nearby 11:59 or sorry 11:55 to 59. The momentum is increasing in a Bank Nifty. There is a big move expected on that time. So we closed our session before that, and though I already told you if Bank Nifty is crossed above this level, we seen there is a big momentum expected in a Bank Nifty. That is happening at this time. So this option which is trading nearby 400, and immediately it jumps over to nearby 600. So 200 rupees movement in just a matter of 13 minutes. Input side, that you know already what is the trade we are going to take. The put is the main key. At this point the put option were started moving, and it was generating the huge benefit within a 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. It was generating the option. It moves the put option of 41,300 that was moving somewhere 200 point. So there is a point where we find out the momentum in Bank Nifty from there, and it was a peak to there up to this level. There is a momentum will be there. So here the low momentum on Bank Nifty, here up to that low momentum. Here the point we are expecting the high momentum. So that we already discussed about that low momentum, how to find out, and the high momentum where it is forming under Bank Nifty. There is a huge move on the premium on put side, and after that it is coming down to merge over, and again it's not moving over there, so we are not expecting even more movement. There was a flat kind of movement, and after that premium which increased, so momentum catching by this point, we got it. So that is why we are waiting from the morning, but beginning as before ending the session, so we are not getting the momentum. The momentum can happening at this point, then there is a big movement. So if you are finding the low momentum, the best strategy for a short straddle kind of thing we are doing here, and that if high momentum long straddle also you can focus, the long straddle also would be a benefited strategy at this time. So where we are going to take a long straddle and where we are going to take a short straddle, and how to find out the momentum, that we have discussed, and you find out the momentum in Bank Nifty. So there is a time to buy naked options would be best, and going for a higher quantity also, that was works well, and it is a quick move that we got it from that trade. So that we have discussed on this today's class. Those who are not understanding that point, so you may understood here how we are discussing the same, right? And another strike prices which we are going to focus is down about 41,500, right? So that we are discussing 41,500. Let I'm going to show you that 41,500. I'm going to see the directly from this website. Let's look at that. After that momentum, the momentum is happening on Bank Nifty. So where the momentum is happened at this point, got it? At this point of time, the momentum where it is happening at exactly nearby, the time is around 11:55, 11:56. There is a momentum. That time the premium of the put price is around 568, and it suddenly jumps over from 568. At this time it went up to 732. The premium, we as per our class, as per our strategy, we find the buy opportunities in this put option around 470, I think 470 or 5, yeah, before that 500 we find that put option, right, around 470 something, yeah, 470, and it went up to 502. Even better, we are finding out that opportunity in morning. So this is what the momentum, where the momentum is started on the Bank Nifty, and the premium, the movement of the premium is very big, and after that till this point the momentum will be continuous. And let's look at that long straddle where it is works perfectly and it moves. If you are focusing for a long straddle kind of strategy, at this time the premium is 688 and it went up to 873. The straddle premium 600 and 200 point move, right, from 688 almost 800 to 150 points. The straddle movement, long straddle would be a benefited strategy here. Those who have attended the session in the morning, you may be getting understood how we are going to find the momentum in Bank Nifty, and it was working good. And sometimes after market opens there is no momentum, means the strategy which is we are going to use it around short straddle kind of strategy that we are going to focus. And let's look at everything will be reflected on that 41,300 put option, call option. That strike price we have selected today based on our strategy 41,300. So let's look at this, how it is working better and good. After that, here another kind of short straddle would be best, and if you are going to focus it out, and end of the day it is around 686 at this point, maybe 633, sorry, where we can focus here the short straddle around 663, and at that point 622, right? So using the price of this chart, we can easily find out the momentum, where the momentum is increasing, where there is uh, a peak will be there, and a sudden movement, everything it will be reflected on this chart. So you may use that what we have discussed on the today's scenario, that was working well and good. All right. And about Nifty also, it is working same. You are let's check it out, 17,750, same thing which is happening on Nifty. So we are not discussing about Nifty. Let's look at that Nifty at this point. we are focusing at the momentum it increased at this point itself. So here Nifty momentum got increased at this time of 10:20, where that time we are focusing for a call option. If you have focused it at the call option, it is around to 128 and then it went up to 149, 150. It's almost 20-point move, and even more move at the put premium from 115 it went up to 165. Then Nifty also you can focus it, Nifty or either a bank Nifty, but the strategy which we have discussed in the morning is about purely for a bank Nifty. That was works well, and lot of futures available on this website. You can make use of it very minimum fees. And bank Nifty, so purely we are waiting. If you are waiting for an opportunity, 100% you are going to get one or two trades in a bank Nifty very easily by based on this method, so that you learned. And if you have any questions, those who attend, you can ask me directly, and if you have just following this method, that will helping you to make a intraday trade in bank Nifty. I hope this video I'm mainly making for those who are attend my classes, they will understand what I'm discussing here on this chart. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions or doubt, just comment in the comment box. Thank you for being with me. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.